Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down 5 of the best NAS and home storage devices you can get right now, from simple plug-and-play personal cloud solutions to powerful multi-bay network storage systems built for serious home users, creators, and small businesses. Whether you want to back up your family photos, stream media to every device in your home, or build a centralized file server for your office, these devices deliver reliable, secure, and expandable storage on your own terms. No monthly subscription fees, no cloud dependency, just your data, under your control. Let's get into it. Number 5. WD My Cloud Home. The WD My Cloud Home is the perfect first step into personal cloud storage for anyone who wants a simple, hassle-free way to store, access, and share their files from anywhere in the world. Unlike traditional NAS devices that require network configuration and technical setup, the My Cloud Home is designed for everyday users. Plug it into your router, download the app, and you're up and running in minutes. It connects directly to a USB port on your router and automatically backs up photos and videos from your smartphone, tablet, and computer, keeping your memories safe without any manual effort. The My Cloud Home app gives you remote access to all your files from any device, anywhere, making it an effortless personal cloud alternative to paid services like Google Drive or iCloud. Available in capacities ranging from 2 terabytes all the way up to 8 terabytes, there's plenty of room to grow your storage as your needs expand. While it lacks the advanced features of a full NAS system, for casual home users who simply want reliable, accessible personal storage without the complexity, the WD My Cloud Home is an excellent and approachable starting point. The WD My Cloud Home retails for approximately $120 to $200 USD depending on capacity. Number 4. Synology DS223j. The Synology DS223j is the ideal entry point into the world of true NAS storage, combining Synology's legendary software experience with a compact, energy-efficient 2-bay design that fits comfortably in any home or small office. At its heart is a quad-core processor that handles file transfers, media streaming, and simultaneous user access smoothly and efficiently, while up to 2 GB of RAM keeps multitasking performance responsive. The real star of the show is Synology's DiskStation Manager operating system, widely regarded as the most polished and user-friendly NAS software available, offering an intuitive browser-based interface that makes managing your storage, backups, and shared folders feel remarkably straightforward even for first-time NAS users. The 2 drive bays support a wide range of 3.5-inch and 2.5-inch drives, and with support for SHR and RAID 1 configurations, you can mirror your data across both drives for protection against drive failure. Synology's rich app ecosystem unlocks media servers, surveillance station, cloud sync, and automatic backup tools that transform this compact device into a genuinely powerful home server. For families and home users stepping up from basic external drives to a real network storage solution, the DS223j is a compelling and affordable choice. The Synology DS223j retails for approximately $170 to $200 USD excluding drives. Number 3. QNAP TS-233. The QNAP TS-233 brings a fresh and competitive option to the 2-bay entry-level NAS market, pairing solid hardware with QNAP's feature-rich QTS operating system to deliver a capable and versatile home storage solution. Powered by a dual-core ARM Cortex-A55 processor and 2 GB of DDR4 RAM, the TS-233 handles media streaming, file sharing, and light server workloads with ease. 2 3.5-inch drive bays support volumes of up to 36 TB total raw storage, giving you ample room for large media libraries, backups, and personal archives. QNAP's QTS operating system is packed with functionality, offering a wide range of downloadable apps through the QNAP App Center, including multimedia servers like Plex, cloud backup synchronization tools, download managers, and even a built-in virtualization station for advanced users. 2 USB 3.2 ports allow direct external drive connections for quick local backups or easy data migration from existing storage devices. The TS-233 also supports hardware-accelerated AES-NI encryption, keeping your sensitive data protected without impacting system performance. With its competitive pricing, strong software support, and NAP's extensive ecosystem of compatible accessories and expansion options, the TS-233 is a highly capable and future-ready 2-bay NAS that punches well above its weight. The NAP TS-233 retails for approximately $200 to $230 USD excluding drives. Number 2, Synology DS923 Plus. The Synology DS923 Plus is where home storage becomes genuinely serious, delivering a 4-bay powerhouse that combines expandable capacity, enterprise-class features, and Synology's outstanding software platform in one impressive package. Built around an AMD Ryzen R1600 dual-core processor and 4GB of ECC DDR4 RAM, with upgradability up to 32GB, this NAS handles demanding workloads including 4K media transcoding, multi-user file access, virtual machines, and heavy backup operations without breaking a sweat. The 4 drive bays support up to 64 TB of raw storage, and crucially, the DS923 Plus is compatible with Synology's DX517 expansion unit, allowing you to add 5 more drives when your storage needs grow, making this a truly long-term investment. A dedicated PCIe 3.0 slot lets you install an M.2 NVMe SSD adapter for blazing fast cache acceleration, dramatically improving read and write performance across the entire storage pool. Dual gigabit Ethernet ports support link aggregation for increased bandwidth and network redundancy, while the 10 GBE upgrade option is available for those who need even faster local network transfers. Synology's Disk Station Manager brings active backup, surveillance station, hyper backup, and a full suite of powerful business-grade applications to your home or office network. For power users, content creators, and small businesses who need a reliable, expandable, and deeply capable NAS platform, the DS923 Plus is an outstanding investment. The Synology DS923 Plus retails for approximately $600 to $650 USD excluding drives. Number 1, NAP TS-464. The most powerful, versatile, and feature-packed NAS device in this lineup, the NAP TS-464, a 4-bay network storage system that redefines what a home and small business NAS can do. At its core is an Intel Celeron N5105 quad-core processor running at up to 2.9 GHz, paired with 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, an exceptionally powerful combination that handles 4K hardware transcoding, virtual machines, containerized applications, and heavy multi-user workloads simultaneously without any performance compromise. For 3.5-inch drive bays accommodate up to 72 TB of raw storage, and with NAP's expansion enclosure support, your capacity can grow far beyond that as your needs evolve. 2 built-in M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD slots are included directly on the motherboard, allowing you to install ultra-fast cache drives without consuming any of your primary drive bays, a significant advantage over competing devices at this price point. The TS-464 comes equipped with two 2.5 GBE network ports as standard, delivering 2.5 times the bandwidth of standard gigabit Ethernet right out of the box, ensuring fast and smooth file transfers across your entire network. NAP's QTS operating system and the powerful QTS Hero ZFS-based alternative give you deep flexibility in how you manage, protect, and optimize your storage. HDMI 2.0 output lets you connect the TS-464 directly to a display for local 4K media playback without any streaming device, while the USB 3.2 ports handle direct attached storage and quick local backups with ease. Whether you're running a Plex media server, hosting virtual machines, managing surveillance camera recordings, or simply storing and protecting years of irreplaceable data, the NAP TS-464 handles it all with power and precision to spare. For anyone who demands the absolute best in home and small business network storage, this is the device to own. The NAP TS-464 retails for approximately $500 to $600 USD excluding drives.